Have you ever faced a similar problem?
Today, more and more people are dependent upon various small and body-worn devices like smartphones and smartwatches and so on. We cannot imagine our lives without them. But these devices run out of juice, often at the most inconvenient times. When people are in a hurry, like busy mums, busy office workers, students, everyone. We thought, how can we create something new that provides a solution? How can people charge their devices on the move? In fact, how can being on the move help people charge their devices?
Okay, so what is Charge It?
Charge It is a phone charging wearable that helps you charge on the move. It converts pressure from your footsteps into energy that can be used to charge your smartphones or any other devices. Charge It is unique as the electronic circuit is inbuilt into the flexible insole that can be fit into any shoes of your choice.
Interesting. So how does it work?
Charge It uses state-of-the-art piezoelectric technology. When a person walks or runs, the piezoelectric elements attached to the insole of his shoes will be pressed and electrical energy will be generated. This electrical energy will be then stored in batteries which will be further used to charge phones or devices.
Okay, but did you conduct any public surveys for that?
We asked several people if they would like to own a gadget which can charge their devices while walking and running, and these were the responses.
A gadget that charges my phone whilst running sounds interesting.
Hi, as an athlete, I would like to own a product which can charge my phone whilst I run.
Yeah, definitely. At least that would motivate me to go out for walks more.
We thought, what if our solution can help in other ways as well? If just by walking or running, you can charge your device, this would be so useful in places that don't have reliable electricity. Places such as remote parts of India and other parts of the world that have similar issues. Charge It can even be useful to those who like traveling the path less traveled and therefore less connected, like people who enjoy hiking or camping. Right now, Charge It is just a prototype. It's something we are working towards achieving as we believe that it can have an immense impact. It is the drive and motivation to make an impact globally that keeps us going. Charge It is just a small piece of the puzzle, a small step that will result in a huge difference.
So, do you want to be a part of this project which generates usable electricity in an eco-friendly manner, motivates people to adapt an active life, and helps vulnerable to always stay connected?
If yes, then you can support us by making donation online or through the bank account. A lucky draw of 50 supporters will be taken randomly and they will receive the Vita product for free, which is set to be launched in August. Your support is crucial for us. Let's plug
And move!